Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. This time, I'm going to teach you on how to create a YouTube channel. But, before we proceed, please don't forget to subscribe and click also the tiny notification bell for you to be notified on all upcoming videos. First, you need a Gmail account in opening a channel on YouTube. If this is your first time, and you don't have an idea on how to create an account on Gmail, please check on the description below for the tutorial. And then, if you have already an account on Gmail, go to youtube.com. Go to Sign In. After signing in, click again your account icon. Next, click Create a Channel, and then click Get Started. As you can see here, there are two options. It's up to you what to choose. It's either choosing your name or you make a custom name. This time, I'm going to select this name I had created on Gmail. And then, scroll down here. As you can see, you can upload a profile picture, and then you can tell viewers what your channel is all about, and then you can put some sort of your site's link right down here, like your YouTube name and YouTube site, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And, you can also set it up later or just save and continue. That's it, your channel now is ready. Again, if you want to learn more about YouTube, hit subscribe now and click the notification bell for the updates. Feel free to comment below, let me know your thoughts and ideas about creating a channel. And let me know also, if I have something to improve about my tutorial.